Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then choose Sound and click on Sound Profile. Over here you can tap on Vibrate Only and mute your device, leaving only vibrations. Then you can tap on the switcher next to Ring with Vibration, Ceramic click, to turn on vibrations for incoming calls. You can turn it off by tapping on the same switcher. After that, scroll down, click on Vibration Type, and select your vibration pattern by clicking on one of them, and saving your changes by clicking Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!